This video shows a blower assembly including subassembly on the drawing sheets in CATIA. First, I'm going to open the template file and then using the given naming convention to rename this drawing file. Make sure you carefully select the drawing file you want to save, and then save the drawing file in the same folder with the other CATIA files. Now we're going to focus on the assembly. In the title block, make sure you can update the title and then use the Shift key to adjust the position of each box. Switch back to the working view. Rename this sheet. This is the assembly. Continue to use the isometric view icon to create the assembled blower. This is a huge assembly. Make sure you go to the property to reduce the scale. After a couple of the trials, we determined the reduced scale to be 1:6. Drag the frame to move this one to the upper right corner. Continue to use the isometric view icon to generate the exploded view. Remember to click the exploded view first. Continue to reduce the scale of the exploded view. Drag the frame so you can include the exploded view into the drawing sheet. Continue to reduce the scale of the assembly and the exploded view to 1:8. Drag the frame to adjust the position. Double-click the frame of the exploded view so that you can label the parts on the exploded view. Continue to generate the bill of material. Change the font size. Adjust the size of each column. Change the font style to copperplate Gothic Light to keep the uppercase letters. Switch back to the background. Continue to update the scale to 1:8. Now we're going to generate the second sheet for the subassembly. Make sure you can rename the sheet to be the subassembly. Continue to use the isometric view icon to import the subassembly. Reduce the scale. Continue to use the isometric view icon to create the exploded view of the subassembly. Reduce the scale. Continue to update the scales of the subassembly and the exploded view to 1 to 10. Let's label the parts. Continue to generate bill of material. Use the Shift key to adjust the position. Reduce the font size. Change the font style to copper plate Gothic light. Update the title block, especially to the sheet number. This is the second sheet, so keep it as a 2/2. The scale is 1 to 10. The name, it should be the subassembly. Switch back to the working view. Now we're going to save the drawing sheets to PDF files. Make sure you choose the type as PDF. Save the work. Now we're going to generate the zip file. Make sure you can rename the folder. And then right-click, choose Send to Compressed Zip File. Click Submit Assignment so you can attach the zip file to submit your work. Thanks for watching.